You don't get to pick and choose. Different ass and bigger boobs. If my eyes are brown or blue, this ain't build a bitch. I'm filled with flaws and attitudes. So if you need perfect, I'm not built for you. Yeah. Bob the Builder broke my heart. Told me on.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today, Brookhaven has a new update, and here are the new cars. They have a Brookhaven school. Here it is, and they have I don't know what this car is called, but I noticed that there was a coffin in the back seat. Okay, here's the car, and there is a taxi, and it's very beautiful. And I also found a button under this. I need to go to the police station, go over here, and you will see a little. You need to make yourself small, and you can see a button under there. It's green and sometimes it's red. You can read these two. Let's screenshot it. Well, the words are blurry and yeah. Well, that's for all. They just added some new cars. And bye bye everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe.